said you can't describe this new feeling you're feeling. Well, I'll move slowly. I saw something in you that you didn't see. I made you a believer.
Hello, hola, bonjour, guten tag. Welcome back. And if you're new, hello. I'm StewieAndRupert, or Nova, or Star. We're just gonna jump right into the video, and I'm starting off with a NYX white pencil that I'm going to use to prime my eyes, I guess you could say. All of these products and items I use, they're pretty general and not specific, so just use what you have because that's what I did. So yes, we're going to start by priming my eye with my pencil and then just blending it with my finger. Also, I went ahead and did my eyebrows. That will be in a separate video as to how I colored my eyebrows if anyone is interested. I'm using the Shani Cosmetics palette that I got from Amazon and just the lightest green in the palette, and also a fluffy whiter brush. This brush is easier for me to blend, so I used it. Then I move on to this flatter brush, and I'm using the darkest green in the palette and then using that to pat my lid. I'm bringing it up a little past my lid, but mainly focusing on the actual lid part, just the right half of it. The inner half is for another color that I'm using later on, but I'm going back with that big fluffy brush and just blending it out using a little bit of that darker green, just so it has a nice transition. Look at me, sounding like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. And this is my favorite palette. I love colors, so I'm going in with the electric palette and the only green in the palette, and putting that color in the inner corner and the left half of both of my eyelids. Then I'm going in with that NYX pencil once again and just making a outline in the inner corner of my eyes to fill in with that silver from the electric palette, as you see.
January to December. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face.
And going in with that same brush, I'm using the darker green from the Shani palette I used earlier and putting that color on the lower half of my lash line. As you see, I made a mess and I went to go clean it up.
I said don't think about it. She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone.
And here I'm just using a regular thin paintbrush and some face paint to do my wing eyeliner.
She take me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face, she can see through my soul. I said don't think about it. I said don't think about it. See, I don't know you at all.
Then I'm just going in with some concealer and just sharpening that line up.
Give a fuck if you're involved.
Then this is just a speed through of me putting on mascara. Then I'm going in with this glittery eyeliner, I guess it technically is eyeliner. And I'm making a line right above my crease. Similar to a cut crease, but nothing like it. Similar to a cut crease.
I've been dying to kick it, so just come with if you with it. And this game that we're playing, you want me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. Oh, and I don't want no bullshit excuse, like you ain't got no time for me, as if that shit was true. Just tell me how it is, how you want it. If you're down, want a summit, I got plans and you're one of them. Not trying to pretend. See, I don't know.
This is the mascara I use for my top lashes. It was supposed to be green. It is green. But because my lashes are so dark, it didn't show up well. So if anyone has any suggestions as to how to make colored mascaras show up, let me know. But I went ahead and used these rhinestones as well. And then use some tweezers and some eyelash glue to stick them on each corner of the end of my wing and the inner corners of my eye.
Hold up, did you really think I'm bad at it? Say she wanna leave, but it's way too crowded. But I'll vibe with you, I'm playing games, I ain't trying to lose. And if I take you back, I'ma kiss your neck. I could be a now, I could be...
Moving on to the lips, I use a light, very light concealer and use that just to prime my lips. Then went in with that big fluffy brush, the same one, and used the darkest color in that shiny palette once again and just packed it on my lips.
At the movies eating Mike and Ike's, and if the price is right, then I guess I'm bout it. See, I don't know you at all, but I'm bout it. If you bout it, don't give a fuck if you're involved, cause I'm bout it. If you bout it.
Then I went ahead and took this silver from the electric palette with my finger and just focused on the inner parts of the top and bottom of my lips. And this is the finished look. If you like it, thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't by now. And stay blessed.
I'm bad about it, don't be offended. I fucks with you cause you're down to earth. Got an ounce of perp if you're down to burn. You got a plan and you're still in school.